Strike a pose. Striking, enigmatic, refined. Few words could completely capture the allure of this 200-plus-year-old art that is Peking Opera. From specialized singing to acrobatic moves, from elaborate costumes to symbolic poses, it's a highly codified form of storytelling. But if I had to reduce it to just one element, it would probably be the facial makeup. Many local residents come to Beijing's Chaoyang Cultural Center to experience the charm of this traditional culture through such free public workshops. On one hand, it offers a great bonding opportunity between children and parents. On the other hand, it's a rare occasion for grown-ups to chill and relax, taking a break from the hustle and bustle of the metropolis. Whether you want to dabble as a weekend artist under the auspices of instructors from the National Academy of Chinese Theater Arts or become acquainted with traditional arts, it's a great place to start, and where you never have to worry about putting on your best face.